Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add fonts in Google Docs on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. Find the Google Docs app, now open it. Now choose one document that you want to change the fonts of. Then select the text that you want to change the fonts of. Keep on tapping to one text and then simply select whichever text you want to add, just like this. Then tap onto the pencil icon right here. Next, here you can find the A underline button, now tap on it. Then tap onto the font option right here. Now here you can find a lot of fonts that you can add to your content. Just like this. Now choose one font that you like the most and add it. And that's it. This is how you can add fonts to your documents on Google Docs. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.